guys, welcome back, and today I'm going to show you this beautiful garland that I've made, and these were just with sticks and pine cones that I've painted white, and the one in the middle here is quite a large one and it has a bit of glitter on that one, so I love that one. Yeah, sticks, pine cones. I've got some tiny little MDF hearts. Now you can buy them from Hobbycraft. You can get a large pack and you can get large ones, small ones, and I've got these. The greenery is actually from my Christmas tree that I keep snipping off, and yes, I think I've said before that my Christmas tree may go bald. And some little berries, they've got tiny bits of wiring so you can manipulate that and just wrap it round the garden twine. And I've made two little loops so then you can hang it wherever you like. So keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, first of all we're going to need some pine cones. I'm going to have about 5 of them. I'm going to have one of them which is really large. Some green foliage. Now I keep cutting this off my Christmas tree because it's a lot easier than buying it and you'd never know that it was off my Christmas tree. Some wired berries because that's going to look really pretty against the actual greenery. Some hearts. They're like MDF, really thin hearts. Some sticks that we're going to cut into, these are about 2.5 centimeters, so we're going to cut these. Some twine to actually thread everything together, and I've got some tiny bowls. You don't need these, but I'm just going to add them on anyway, so that's what we need. So we're going to paint these white, and this is my paint that I use. I use this for everything, and nearly to the end of this one. So I'm just going to paint these white. Really easy. Now you can paint these silver or gold or red, or while they are actually wet, when they're white now and they're wet, you can actually add some glitter to them. So just keep painting. Now you can either spray these. I quite enjoy using my paintbrush, but you can actually spray these white or spray these silver. You can actually dip them and then hang them upside down, so whichever way that you like to do this. I just enjoy it this way. And then leave to dry. Next we're going to cut some branches that are all dried out completely, and I'm going to cut them about 2.5 centimeters, so each one. So now I've cut about 41 of these, and all I'm going to do is just make a little hole in the middle of them, and I'm going to use my trusty drill and make a little hole. Now do these on all of your 41 of these. So these are the painted pine cones. Now I've got 4 small and 1 large one. Now I love this one. I've actually painted it white and I've used glitter glue at the bottom of it so it looks all pretty. So I'm going to have that one as the main one in the middle. So all we need to do now, we need to drill a little hole through here, and it just go through here into the middle part, and then we can thread our twine through it. We're just going to need the cone, and then we're going to find a space where we think it can go, and we just want it to come out the side anywhere here. See, I'm not dead right in the centre. Slightly out. Watch your fingers. Test the hole. Bit of twine. Now we pop that through there. Now we need to do these with the rest of these. So now we've got our pre-drilled pine cones, our pre-drilled 41 little sticks. We've got some MDF hearts where we're going to glue together. We've got our wired little berries, and then just some greenery off the Christmas tree, which I have. And all you need to do is just snip with some wire cutters These ones I have for the jewellery. And there you go. And then we just need some little sections like that. Now all we need to do is thread it all together. Right, now we've got our garden twine, or you can call it jute. We just need to make a nice little loop, and then we're going to make a knot. So then you can hang this up if you want to, so that's going to be the end. And then I'm going to cut off a little bit here, and then I'm just going to put a tiny bit of glue, and that would just secure it. So now we just need to make a long length, just so we can make our garland. So we need lots and lots and lots, and then we can cut it off at the end. To make it easier to thread through all the items what we've got, if you put some glue on the end of this will make it stiff, and then that can be thread through all the items what we've got, so it's just a lot easier to put through. So what we need to do now is to just thread all the little bits through. 3 of these, and thread them all to the end. Then we're going to need the wire berries and a tiny bit of greenery. So I'm just going to make everything tight, so you can put another bit of glue there. That will just secure that bit. Now I've got the tiny bit of greenery, which I'm going to glue down. And then also with the wired beads, I'm going to wrap one of them around the greenery just to further secure it. So now we've got that bit there. Now we need a heart, one down. I'm going to glue where the twine's going to be, and a bit on the side. And then with the other heart, we're just going to lay that on top. So next we're going to need 3 more. And I'm going to put a tiny bit of glue in this one again, just for the end one. And then we're going to thread our first pine cone. Tiny bit of glue. So next we're going to use 4. And then a bit of greenery. And then some of the berries. And then the hearts again. Now 3 sticks. And then the last 3 sticks. And then we just need to make a loop on the end as we did at the beginning. So this one's going to be a bit different because I'm going to thread it through there, and we're just going to make a knot. And then making another knot, and then we're done. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video. Leave a little comment below if you're going to have a go, because it's always nice to know in the comments if you think that the craft is quite easy to do. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing. And don't forget to press that notification bell and then press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.